The high-quality wines of Gaza and Ashqelon of the Roman and Byzantine periods have received widespread attention. The quality of these wines was exceptional enough to be presented to Emperor Justin II during his coronation feast in Constantinople in 566, as expressed through the accession elegy of Flavius Cresconius Coripius, in which he lists both wines amongst those served. Sweet gifts of Bacchus, which fruitful Sarepta and Gaza has created, and which beloved Ashqelon has given to her prosperous colonists. The ancient gifts of Palestinian Laïus are mingled in, white with the colour of snow, exceedingly light and with an agreeable taste. This surge in the export of these seemingly white wines has been linked to the taste for vintages sampled by lay, especially aristocratic pilgrims and monks on their pilgrimage to the Holy Land, the increase of seaborne trading around the ports of the Mediterranean, and the huge surplus of wine produced in the many winepresses throughout Palestine. These wines are identifiable both textually and archaeologically through the presence of so-called Gazetai and Ashqelonian amphorae, the terms Gazan and Ashqelonian wines designating a trademark that represented a wide terroir very much as Jaffa is used today to market oranges from Israel in general. So the ports of Gaza and Ashqelon as the points of export hence came to represent the trade in the commodity in general. While the amphorae are ubiquitous to mere thousands of sites around the country, huge quantities of sherds of these vessels have also been found in Egypt, Asia Minor and other places around the Mediterranean basin. With the initial failure to identify wine presses in the southern coastal plain around both Ashqelon and Gaza, it was proposed that the large wine presses excavated at the sites of the Negev highlands were the centers for this wine production. Now excavations have exposed a series of large wine presses in the hinterland of Gaza and especially Ashqelon, and that initial identification should be questioned. For example, excavations at Ashqelon and the nearby Third Mile estate, Horvat Hamama, Negba and other sites have exposed large wine presses, all with vat compartments surrounding the central trading floor, screw presses, and large double octagonal collecting vats. In almost every case, pottery kilns specializing in the production of Gazan and Ashqelonian amphorae are located in the immediate vicinity. New excavations of a huge wine production facility at Yavne on Israel's southern coast, dated mostly to the 5th to 7th century CE, includes 5 huge and exquisitely constructed wine presses arranged in a systematically planned industrial estate. While the complex shows various stages of development, clear processional design is evident. The industrial estate, at full maturity, was arranged around 2 intersecting roads, drained by an underground channel, crossing through an area of 7,000 square meters. At the center, arranged on 4 sides, were 4 large stores, their roofs supported by a central line of columns. Beyond them were 2 double wine presses that architecturally mirror each other in every detail. These wine presses were cut into the sandy soil to create the gravitational drop required to allow grape must to flow from element to element. These wine presses were probably capable of producing annually from 1.4 to 2 million litres of wine. Transport of these vintages to market was assured through a series of large kilns producing both baggy jars and Gazaetum in huge quantities. The excavation at Yavne shows that the industrial production of Gazan and Ashqelonian wines was concentrated in the southern coastal plains south of Jaffa, with the wine presses of Yavne at its center. L'chaim, to life, and thank you.